Greetings. This is yours, Freddie McGregor, real big ship captain. Tonight we have a very special lineup of songs for you and yours, some that you probably haven't heard in a long time, but such is Freddie's catalog. So wherever you are in this world, make sure you check this journey with Freddie. Tell you how I feel. You know my loving is real. From the crown of my head to the sole of my feet. Now what is this that I feel taking control of me? Now my body's in trouble. It's you that I need, yeah. Is it how you walk or is it how you talk? Is it how you smile that makes me come alive? I wanna know what it is about you. Your time, I said, every little thing that I've been searching for. Girl, I see it in you. You're my dream come true. And every little day, every little way, every single night I pray that you'll be there for me. Cause I'll be there for you. Oh, well, is it how you walk or is it how you talk? Is it how you smile that makes me jump? I wanna know what it is about you. Now can we go for a walk and have a little talk so I can get to know you? Got a lot of things to show you. Please understand that I'm only a man and my urge getting stronger. Don't keep me waiting much longer. I will wanna get to know you better. Whoa, yeah, now slow it down so I can say what I wanna say. Oh Lord. You wanna have things your own way. Don't give a damn what you do or say. Maybe you don't listen, maybe you don't care. Now you're going astray. How long will it take you to change your ways? I'm asking this crazy living night and day. But if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. If you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. Instead of fussing every day, why don't you kneel down and pray now? Sometimes it's best to look the other way. Life could be better one day now. How long will it take you to change your ways now? This crazy living night and day. But if you wanna go, you must go. If you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. If you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. If you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. Got to do what you gotta do, yeah. Oh Lord, yeah, now. Got to do what you gotta do, yeah. Oh Lord. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. And we want to thank you all for coming out this evening to the Freddie McGregor and Friends Experience. And we have some bridging will come bust the place later on for you. Freddie McGregor is a singer from Clarendon who at 7 years old wrote a song called Roll Dumpling Roll and started to get threepence or 3 pence as it was known back then to sing that dumpling song, which took me to Kingston to Coxon Studio 13 Brentford Road, popularly known as Studio One, and it began from there and hasn't stopped since 1963. So massive, you're feeling irate and you're ready to party. Oh Lord, yeah. Oh, yeah, now, yeah. Say everybody just run, come for take it. But still I say I don't have it already. Hey man, not time for you, get steady. Cause everybody don't know Judge a massive Africa world. Yeah, now. Here I come. Ribbit it again. Africa world. Oh, God says. Here I come. Whoa, yeah. Say Ethiopia land is best of all. Repatriate, make we take it all. Enough land out there for each and every one. Work hard and make we dump it in the yard. Africa, oh, yeah, now. Here I come. Ribbit it again. Africa, oh, my God, yes. Here I come. Mix them in down north. So when we go there, when I run left it. I just know, say, we are fixed. So when we go there, when I run left it. I just know, say, we are fixed. The boss always want to be richer, while the poor man slave and suffer. That can't work. Hear me now. To be poor is a crime. Man, if you know that in a desert. To be poor is a crime. A woman, if you know that in a desert. I don't wanna be begging. Jaja knows I'm a trying to make a honest living. With all of my strength I'm a giving. To be poor is a crime. Man, if you know that in a desert. To be poor is a crime. Yeah. Woman, if you know that in a desert. I'm tired of being pushed around. Oh, giant me to get off the ground. They want to see me go down. It's really hard for some of us to stay around. To be poor is a crime. Man, I know that in a desert. To be poor is a crime. A woman, I know that in a desert. Oh, Lord, yeah, now. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh Lord have His mercy. The boss always want to be richer, while the poor man slave and suffer. But that can't work. I read these things in prophecy. Oh boy, hear me now, myself. Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Pull up that one. Pull it up. Massive, what you say? So we do it. I read these things in prophecy. Oh, hear me now. Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me, yeah. Still I'm a living, trying to be free. All of me people, freedom is a must. I know. No matter how the fuss and go on, because I read these things in prophecy. White say, when the rain starts falling down and they got no water, what they gonna drink? They're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. Oh Lord, and when the stars start falling down and the fire's burning, red hot, there will be weeping and a national teachers, everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Looks like the moon, it doesn't shine for me, yeah. All I try to do is right in the people's side. Massive and cool, yeah. Freedom is a must, I know. No matter how the fuss I go on, because I read these things in prophecy. What say? When the rain starts falling down and they got no water, what they gonna drink? They're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. Oh Lord, and when the stars start falling down and fire's burning, red hot, there will be weeping and a national teachers, everyone will be mourning. I hope all my people won't be mourning, for everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning, everyone will be mourning. Oh my gosh, I read these things in prophecy now. Oh Lord, I'm waiting. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, so we're feeling irie? And you gear up for some more. So let me tell you tonight, the person in charge of all these selections tonight, I must tell you, is Mr. Dean Fraser. I didn't pick one song tonight. Dean said, Freddie, we want to do some songs tonight that we don't normally do. And this song coming up is one of them. It's called Natural Collie. So the hardcore Freddie McGregor fans will know this one. And if you don't, check this one out for the first time. Tell the world all about it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Been down in the valley, smoking natural Collie, getting inspiration, giving it to the nation, spreading it, 'cause that's my work. Yes, I'm spreading it, 'cause there's nothing else to do. People, look around you. Can't you see we're living in poverty? This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, save the people, free them from captivity. This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. To enter Judge's kingdom, you got to be full of wisdom, knowledge and understanding, given you by commanding. Jah command you to do His work, and if you don't, raise some stones. People, look around you. Can't you see we're living in poverty? This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, save the people, free them from captivity. This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Mr. Dean Fraser, ladies and gentlemen. People, look around you. Can't you see we're living in poverty? This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, save the people, free them from captivity. This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, save the people, free them from captivity. This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, save the people, free them from captivity. This pain is too much for me. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Thank you. Thank you.
Big ship. One morning I was up in Stone Hill waiting for Linval Thompson for a recording session at Channel 1, and we were actually making the album Big Ship. I had no idea it would be called Big Ship. So yes, we had a couple of early morning sessions, and this morning, Thursday morning, we decided we was going out early because we wanted to end the day early. And I went up to Stone Hill to pick Linval up, and while him getting ready, I was sitting in a swing. And you know, Stone Hill kind of high up, so we were overlooking the seaport. And lo and behold, that morning, in the mist, I see a big green ship pulling up into the harbor, but unusually big. And Linval came to the door to beckon to me that I'm almost ready. And I said, Linval, come here, Linval. Look on that ship there. And him come out and him look through the mist for a minute until him spot the ship, and him say, yo, it's big for true. But it really was unusually big and loaded with containers, so I'm assuming it's a Chinese ship. And I had a box guitar in my hand, so I started playing a F major 7 and a G minor chord progression. And all I was singing is Big Ship Sailing on the Ocean. Big ship sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. Just that. And it kind of stuck in my head, and you know, for the rest of the time, about another 10 minutes, I sitting there in the swing singing this Big Ship thing until Linval come and we got ready and we went on to the studio. So we recorded about 5 tracks a day. And at the end of the recording session, the musicians packed up. I remember Style Rotterdam zip up him drum case, Bingy Bonnet zip up him guitar, Flabberwood zip up him bass. And the idea came back to me. And we shout out to them and said, gentlemen, you know, so I have another idea. I'm gonna forget about it. Everybody stopped. So I walked around the piano, started playing the progression, F major 7, G minor. And Steely walked over to me and went up to the higher end of the piano. And while me I play the progression, I play a phrase, kadang kadang teng, ting ting tung, kadang kadang tung. And so Flabber just unzip him bass, plug it in and run him finger over the fret. Woo, tum, pimpi tim, pum, pipi tim, tim. And then style Rotterdam now. And zip him jump case. Take out him jump stick. Kukum, kiting, ting. Go! And everybody inside the vice room start shout out, hit song, hit song. And the engineer beckoned to record, let's take one. And the rest was history. I went back like a week after and completed writing the song for it. Sometimes, you know, and people refer to Big Ship in different ways. Some people call a sizable woman Big Ship. Them call all kind of things. And one of the things that helped that song to break so fast really was England and Falkland went to war the year that song came out. And I was in England too. And so ship a sink and the song just get more popular. And then the cruise ship industry caught on to the song. And I must say Big Ship has been the #1 song on the cruise ship chart for many, for as long as that song has been out. And still standing there. Because every cruise ship used it to go out, and in coming in, they use Big Ship as well.
So the big ship comes sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. Straight up rubber up tonight. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sailing, sailing. Oh, Lord. Say when I'm ready, better hold on steady. We're moving off at lightning speed, yes. Take a seat, just wait till I'm ready. Right now we die a massive, hold on steady. The big ship sailing on the ocean. Right now we don't need no commotion, come on. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Sail all the way from heaven till tonight. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh Lord, we don't need no commotion again. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh well, there is a time when the sea gets rough. The wind is blowing and the fish them keep moving. What are you doing, brother man? Sit down, hold on tight, get ready, cause we're sailing. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh Lord, we don't need no commotion again. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, whoa, a big ship sailing on the ocean. And we don't need no commotion again. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh Lord, come along, yes, we're sailing tonight. Come along, we're gonna make it alright. Ah, yeah. Oh yes, a big ship sailing on the ocean. I'm sure we don't need no commotion. Oh Lord. Right now we're ready, better hold on steady. We're moving off at lightning speed, yes. Take a seat, just wait till I'm ready. Bring him on, I'm gonna hear the Massive sing this one. Come on, y'all, Massive. A big ship sailing on the ocean. And we don't need no commotion again. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh yes, you start to sound like you're ready, come on. Big ship sailing on the ocean. I'm gonna put you on my next live album, come on. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Bring him on that one more time, I'm going to hear the Massive again. Bring him. A big ship sailing on the ocean. You start to sound like Hope Zuma Squire again. Big ship sailing on the ocean. I'm gonna put you on my next live album, come on. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh, my Sven crew, yes, you're sounding real irie again. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Thank you, Massive, we love you, God bless you. Oh, Lord. Come along, yes, we're sailing tonight. Come along, we're gonna make it alright. Ah, yeah. Oh, yes, the big ship sailing on the ocean. I'm sure we don't need no commotion. Oh, Lord, yeah. Whoa, don't hurt my feelings, darling. Oh, Lord. Saw you last night and told you how much I love you. You didn't believe believe a word I say. Oh, come today, you're gonna believe me. Gonna squeeze and show you I care. Only promise me you'll never hurt me. Maybe I know myself. Oh, don't hurt my feelings. Don't do that to me, yeah.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Gonna show you I care.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Gonna make you mine.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Hey, saw you yesterday, you were hiding in a corner. Couldn't believe my eyes that you would come on, yeah. My friends all said that you are shy. I wanna know the reason why. No need for that right now, gonna show you I love you. One more time, massive.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Don't do that, yeah.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Gonna show you I care.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Gonna make you mine, yeah.
Oh, don't hurt my feelings.
Don't do that, yeah. Oh, Lord, now. Don't hurt my feelings. Oh, well, yeah. Don't hurt my feelings. Oh, well. Don't hurt my feelings. Oh, Lord. Wow, 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 wow. You give me fever in the morning. You give me fever in the evening. Fever in the night. Fever in the night. Oh, Mama didn't tell me you were so lovely. That is why you give me fever. You give me fever in the morning. Give me fever in the evening. Fever in the fever in the night. Oh, well, don't go. Please stay. Don't go. Please stay. If I called out your name and that reason would you go or would you stay in my arms? Knowing how I love you so, but you still turn and go. But this time it will be different in a lot of ways. Don't go, please stay. Don't go, please stay. Wow, 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 yeah. Wow, 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 yeah. Oh, well, na, yeah. Oh, now, na, yeah. Oh, Lord, na, yeah. Oh, well, oh, na, yeah. Somewhere. Thank you. Well, so we're feeling Irie? And you still want some more? Yeah, man, me and him, Freddie, you know, we're always ready, so you know we have enough tune lined up for you.
I think I grew up among the very best, the finest, Scatterlights. Yes. It was Jackie Mitu. It was Roland Alfonso. It was Johnny Dizzy. It was Jerry. It was the greatest of the greats back then, and I had the opportunity to be there in the studio, being Mr. Dad's son, because me alone could have seen at the studio. Because when you're young, there's a thing called recording, red light. So that is a sign that when you're in the studio, when that red light is on, you can't make a sound. So the engineer would always shout out, red light. And so you have to stay silent until the song finish. And so that's a discipline where even me using in my everyday life as a result of learning that from early childhood. But yes, I was patient. I wanted to learn. I wanted to learn from the best. I never know a lot. So I listen, observe. And when the musicians took a break and went outside for lunch, I just jump around the drum set and play a little drum, jump around Jackie keyboards, bang around a little. And when we hear them come on the door squeak, you kind of just swell back your corner. And they love that too, because they like the fact that I was disciplined enough not to disturb them and so. There were people like Alton Ellis, Ken Booth, Bob Andy, most certainly. Bob was there too, because when I was at Studio One, Bob used to live across on the other side of Trenchtown, and all we had to do was climb a jimbling tree at the back of the studio, and we ended up over Sister Rita. So that was an everyday interaction with Bob, Bunny, and Peter. In fact, when it was my time to record my first song with Ernest Wilson as Fitzy and Freddie, it was Bunny Wheeler and Bob who stacked 3 beer boxes so I could stand on it to reach the height of Ernest, because I was very small at 7. So Bob and Bunny also played a very important role. Up until his death, because Bob still called me Little Freddie. That's how he knew me, and he called me that until his departure.
But right about now, we want to do a song for you and yours. And like Dean said, he chooses some songs that we don't do regularly on concerts. So tonight is my night. So I get the chance to do all the songs I want to do. But this song is called Somewhere. And we always like to dedicate this song to the children. And if you don't have a child, it goes out to your niece, your nephew, whomsoever. It's for the kids, and it's called Somewhere. Goes like this. Somewhere there's a baby crying. Somewhere as his father's dying. Mommy ain't got no money for buying food for surviving. Little baby's crying. Somewhere there's someone who's lonely. Somewhere in the world profoundly. Sad to say, it's not the one and only, for there are so many in a world of plenty. I've learned to love, I've learned to laugh, I've learned the truth within the path. Although my friends, life soon will end, there must be something to do for them. Somewhere there's a father teaching. Somewhere there's a youth man preaching. Take it, little ones, so the old man's preaching. No more teaching, go forth and preaching. So many lives and so many tears, grief-stricken mamas and papas. But we know what life is and we've got to face it. So let's join hands together, our hearts for each other. Let's go on together, wherever, forever. Oh, I know that somewhere out there, there's a little baby crying, yeah. Oh Lord, oh now, oh well, yeah. Somewhere there's a little baby crying. Somewhere as his father's dying. Mom ain't got no money for buying food for surviving. Little baby's crying. Somewhere there's someone who's lonely. Somewhere in the world profoundly, they give little ones to the old man's preaching. No more cheating, go forth and reaching. I've learned to love, I've learned to laugh, I've learned the truth within the back. Although my friends, life soon will end, there must be something to do for them. I've learned to love, I've learned to laugh, I've learned the truth within the past. Although my friends, life soon will end, there must be something to do for them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. We're feeling Irish so far? You know, we have enough more tune for drop scene. So just get your drink and relax yourself. Everything good tonight. You're in Freddie's hand. So you're great, all right? So, as promised tonight, we have two guests we're going to feature for you on yours. They are my real friends. And the first one I'm going to bring on tonight is a brother who doesn't get a lot of stage shows around here. But he's been doing this from he was this small. And the first time I saw him was at a talent contest. And he actually won that contest that night. And I voted him the winner. And since then, we've been good friends. So I want to take the opportunity to bring him on tonight. And you know his song, so when him start, you'll get on with it and sing along with him. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage my brother, none other than Singing Sweet in the house tonight. Singing Sweet.
Sometimes I wonder, how could I make it through to this world without having you? I just didn't have a clue. And sometimes it seems that this world closing in on me, and there's no way of breaking free. And then I see you reach for me. And sometimes I wanna give up, wanna give in, wanna quit the fight. And then I see you ladies, and everything's alright. I said that I'm from the north of the Caribbean, sing I go. Said the way that I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything. Say follow you again. Said the way that I see you, I see the green flags. Oh, you see me shining right through the way now. And when I see you smiling, oh lady, when I see you smiling at me, oh lady, I don't know my lady, I don't know sweet lady, yeah. Oh baby, there's nothing this world I could ever do, and a touch of your hands can do. It's like nothing that I ever knew. Oh yeah, and when the rain is falling, I can feel it. I got you here with me now. I wanna ask you ladies, if every, when I'm feeling alright, if every, oh let me say when I'm feeling alright, I want to the way now. I can face the world. Oh, you know what I can do. Oh, to the way now. Lovely family. I remember that one again. My God. Sit down again and don't know what's her name. And see, pull up. One more time. It's a pleasure for being here tonight, and I want to take the opportunity for big up everyone who come out tonight. Only for love and respect to Mr. Freddie McGregor. Frisco. Sit down again and don't know what's her name. And see, she left me. I haven't been the same, and I know I love her. Oh, don't know why you go away. Oh, Donna, if you don't know the song, let me sing. Oh, 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 Donna. Said I know I love her. I know that it's true, and I know I need her. I know that it's true. You are everything I dream of. You are my guiding star. You are everything I think of. Oh, Donna, why you go away? Oh, Donna, why you sing for me again? Oh, oh, Donna, oh, Donna. I can't see one more. Level. So you've given me the best of you, hey girl, and you have makes my dream come true, hey girl. And after all the things that you have done, oh girl, you make me say that you are more than a woman. So I'm dedicating this one. I love you all. Good night. Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure being here. Love, love.
What makes me special? By making special music. Songs like Push Come to Shove, So I'll Wait for You, Just Don't Want to Be Lonely, and it goes on and on. You see, over the years from early childhood at Studio One, I get the opportunity to watch people like Jackie Mitu does production, and you can go inside the studio and record a song and you can walk out and leave it like that. But you could always challenge that song and create what is called harmonies and possibly horn section, things that would enhance the song itself and make it into a giant of a song as opposed to just a nice song. So I think I've learned those traits at Studio One and I interject them into my music.
Yes. One more time, let's hear it for Singing Sweet. One of the youth, them way don't hear much about the place, you know? But in my life, I'm well, kicking it still. So, we are feeling Harry down. And we have our next guest. You see, when him come, this here pop up. So, get ready for that one day. In the meantime, we feature some more Freddie McGregor songs for years and years. Massive, if you want to dance, get up and throw the cheer them. You know. In fact, may have some tune that come up. You see when them tune that drop, not cheer, not about yourself. So just hold on, liquor. Here we go. Tired of taking the blame, I might as well play the game. Whoa, whoa, sometimes it can be so fun. I'm a longing to see you. I wanna know how you've been doing over yonder. Oh well, I'm gonna catch this flight when I reach my destination. Hope you'll be smiling, longing to see you. I thought you'd drop me a line just to say hello, my dear. I'm doing fine. Oh well, yeah. It doesn't matter anyway now, 'cause my love for you will never change. Tell me right now, maybe y'all know myself. When push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you, for loving each and every one.
Push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me.
Oh, yeah. I had your number in my diary, but as soon as I get home, it has been changed. Oh, well, now. I'm not playing any games. I wanna know if what we have remains the same. Tell me one more time, maybe I get myself.
When push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me.
For loving you, for loving each and every one.
Push comes to shove, then everybody's gonna put the blame on me.
Say I'm loving you, it's a love that's true. Oh Lord, oh now, oh na 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 na, yeah, oh na 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 na, yeah. Say I'm a longing to see you. I wanna know how you do over yonder. Whoa. Hold it. You see where without fire and drop them tune, yeah? The chair them get vexed. Cause nobody no sit down. So see them a tune, yeah? A few hardcore Jamaican tune them, yeah? I mean, I say all of them must see them, yeah, so know them tune, I love them tune, yeah, so what? Fire burn pan the chair them, yeah, right now. Run the rhythm track. Darling, how I love you. I gave all I had. They tried to take you, and now I'm so mad. But that's the way to love. That's how I feel in my heart. I've got to say, oh, how I suffer. Oh, how I tried. I gave up my pride just to be by your side. And whomsoever tried to take the love that's really, really mine, I'll never say no other word, no other word. So if another guy back, then it's a let him try.
Let him try,
Let him try.
let him try,
Let him try.
let him try,
Let him try.
let him try.
Now it's another one, but let him try. Yeah. Let him try. Yeah. Now it's another one, but let him try. Yeah. Check this one out, y'all. Show your loving all the time. Whoa, yeah, now goes like this. I'm not in a position to maintain. Pull up. Massive, what you say? Goes like this. I'm not in a position to maintain you the way that you're accustomed to. Can't take you out to fancy places like other fellas that I know can do. I'm only able to romance you and make you tingle with the light. You must believe me, financially I'm a pauper, but when it comes to loving, I'm a... Your time, myself. All right. My time again. Don't show me what your friends are wearing. I really don't want to see. Don't show me what your friends are buying, 'cause money doesn't grow on trees. No way. Tell me about the things that excite you and make you tingle with the light. You must believe me. Right now, tell me where to hold and touch you. 'Cause when it comes to loving, I'm on your time, myself. Alright, 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 Mumsy, alright, Minister in the house, alright, alright. Check this one out, right in time. Oh Lord have mercy. Everyone out there was born a true-born winner. Sister Bobsy are the winner. I know. Here we go, myself. I was born a winner. Sing it out if you're a true-born winner. I was born. Oh Lord, I remember the times how we used to sit in the park, holding hands together. I never should have gone away and left you like I did. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little. Let me hear you myself. Yes, I am. I was born a winner. So is each and every one of you out there. Oh, I was born a winner. Oh, Lord, hey now, my lonely days and my lonely nights, girl, is on the outside looking in, dreaming of holding you tight. Well, I guess I've had my day, you let me go my way. It's me who has to pay. A loser, they call me, but now I'm a winner. I was born a winner. So is each and every one of you out there. I was born a winner. One more time, if you're true born winner. I was born a winner. Thank you, Minister. And you know something, it's funny. It's funny that Minister would walk in right now. Because I'm going to tell you something about Minister what you probably don't know. So this lady, if ever a party should have changed in Jamaica, she will have to remain who she is. No, I'm serious. Because not many people understand culture quite as well as Mums does. And I'm saying that in a real life. Because there's a lot of stuff that happens behind the scenes what people don't know about. But she's always there to defend us. So, enough respect to you, Mums. We love you. So as we keep the program running, I want to do a medley for my brother. From a brother to another brother. Because whenever me work, me always have to do D Brown. Because D Brown is my brother. And you know, D Brown is Jamaica, so my two D Brown for you and yours. Certainly hope you love it. Goes like this. Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no. Oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow by all the days of my life. Envy no one, don't wish to be with no evil man. For there comes a day you'll be free by the Father's hand. I sing it of my people. I whoa, yeah now. I sing it of my people now. Oh well, my head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow by all the days of my life. Envy no one, don't wish to be with no evil man. For there comes a day you'll be free by the Father's hand. I sing it on my people. For Dennis Brown, yeah, I live it on my people. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 now. Come along, yeah. Oh Lord, come along, yeah. Oh my God, come along, yeah. Oh well. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Fighting against oppression. Oh yeah. Battering down depression. Massive memory, hear you say. That's what my brother would say now. That's what my sisters would say now. That's what D. Brown would say now. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Fighting against oppression. Battering down depression. So if you wanna live forever, what we gotta do? Love each other. If you wanna live on, live forever, what we must do? Love one another like brothers and sisters. We love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Dad, Sir Coxsone Clement Dad, that's my father, first and foremost, yes, because he took me in. When I wouldn't say anyone else cared, but he saw the importance of me and he took me in, and he became my father somewhat. Mrs. Dad became my mom, and myself and his children, we have a great rapport until today. But Mr. Dad was very instrumental in bringing records from abroad, giving them to me to study and listen to. So that kind of took me through a pace where I started to learn to listen to Johnny Ace, Johnny Mattis, a host of different artists and different genres of music. And that is partly one of the things that built my career to the point it is today, because I learned a lot from listening to a lot of those songs as well.
Here's another one selected by Dean Fraser himself. And Dean, I don't know you draw them tune upon me tonight, but them bad, trust me. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a nice round of applause for the band on the stand, please? Doing a fantastic job. And to our sisters up here, and our brother, backing vocals, they sound splendid, don't they? Yes, for sure. Just want to take the time to say enough respect to the Ukrainian people as we go through the struggle as well, you know? As Jamaican people, we always have a soft heart for other people, even when them treat us badly, you know? But we say enough respect to them, and we hope them come out of this problem soon, get on with life, just like we are getting on with life right now. So we have a lot to be thankful for. And I just want to say, thank God to the Almighty. Jah Rastafari. Thank you. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm a
away from death. I'm on a deal with capitalists. I'm a Rasta man. Oh Lord, now I'm a revolutionist away from death. I'm on a deal with capitalists. Oh Lord, now. These are the times when chains are pulled from Israel's feet. Them claims say we not go live in peace, but you better open up your eyes and fight for your rights, or you won't survive. I'm gonna lead my tribe of Israelites and fight for the rights. That's why they say I'm a revolutionary away from death. I'm on a deal with capitalists. I'm a Rasta man. Oh Lord, now I'm a revolutionary. Don't care what them say. I'm on a deal with capitalists. Big friends to take him out. Yes, I know your evil plan, Mr. Babylon. You Babylon, you're wrong man. Babylon, shouldn't trouble judge your plan. I say you're wrong man. Oh Lord, you brought us down here in captivity. Whip us with your brutality. Turn your back on humanity. You got no love and no liberty. What you say? But say you're wrong man. You shouldn't trouble judge your plan. Shouldn't touch the Rasta man. Oh Lord, you took away our fathers' gold, robbed them of their sevenfold. Now you're locked behind the door, not knowing one day we would know the score. Babylon, you're wrong man. You shouldn't trouble judge your plan. Shouldn't touch the Rasta man. Don't touch the ganja man. Oh Lord, yes, I know your evil plan, Mr. Babylon. Oh yes.
Personally speaking, from early childhood, I used to read the Bible a lot because that's something I grew up doing and through parents and everything else. And I personally find a deep love for it too. And for example, I wrote a song called Wine of Violence, which is on a Bad Studio One rhythm. Ernest Wilson has a song on that rhythm too. And so I was reading Proverbs, and King Solomon was talking to me, literally talking to me. Put your trust in the Son of the Most High, children, that he shall be like Mount Zion. Keep away from all those evil doors, for they'll only push you down in multitude of sinners. So don't eat the bread of wickedness. Stay away from the wine of violence. And we'll be doing that track tonight too.
Oh Lord now, oh well. Put your trust in the Son of the Most High, children, that he shall be like Mount Zion. Keep away from all them evil doers, for they'll only push you down in multitude of sinners. Don't eat the bread of wickedness. Oh Lord, stay away from the wine of violence. Don't eat the bread of wickedness. Oh well, stay away from the wine of One more thing I'm gonna say. Let none mercy and truth forsake you now. We love you. Bind them about thy neck, write them upon the tables of thine heart. Oh well, on the tables of thine heart. them up on the tables of thine heart, yeah. Oh, well, yeah. Na, 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 yeah. Oh, well, write them up on the tables of thine heart. Oh, well. Here's one we call the oldest but goodest. Dig it up there. Say, little girl, I'm not time to skin up. But little girl, at this time you come up. Say, little girl, you must want to give up. But little girl, I just want to live up. I will make you feel alright throughout the night. Come on, I will make you feel alright. Come on, woman, just love me right. All you gotta do is try love. Come on and come on and come on and oh Lord, now throughout the night I will make you feel alright. Come on, woman, just love me right. La 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 la. Oh yeah, now, now, la 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 la. Oh well, well, la 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 la. Oh now, la 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 la. Hey. So little girl, then the time for skin up. But little girl, at this time you come up. Say little girl, you must say want me give up. But little girl, I just want to live up. Then all you gotta do is try love. Come on and try love. Freddie man now, try love. Come on and try love. Come on and try love. Come on, try love. Thank you. Thank you. So as promised, we have another very special guest. And that brethren I'm not ordinary. I'm a real brethren too, you know, just random people at power every time. But I just serious, can say, he want a choke off a Jacqueline, but he have to draw for him robbers. He had seen thing no easy. It make you die like flowers. Him bad like yours. Him one of the other artists when I'm really getting a run bout here, but great artists. And tonight, I want you to help me welcome on stage none other than my brother, Frisco Kid in the house. Hey, remember, because my girl from the side got them flexible. Now me love me so with them. I reckon out this a manifest. My wife out me left. To tell get the truth me no press. Cause me girl from the side flexible. All when she ready fi go love and caress. When she have the bump on the breast. Some other girl have vex. But I know what she be having on me. When me tell them, me say they and them if you're living in style. If you got the grill, got chill out for a while. To your body, whoa! Blessed good night. Them say reggae month, but you know say reggae here we say, right? Cause 2 years we don't enjoy ourselves, no. So you ready to do it again? Alright. Let me say the and them if you're living in style. If you're gonna grill, go chill out for a while. To your body ready, make some girl blood a boil. And at the style can. When we tell them, tired body girl, them out of season. Man, go check them. Whoa! That's your that. Listen now. You don't know the captain, you know. Blessed good night. All MPs and all ministers, respect and honors. Manners, you don't know. As a youth from the West, we always go for the best. So you wanna know? Draw for the joyride for me, please, car. I see a bread over there, so about 6 glasses of the Hennessy him drink. I don't know if it's free. It's free? Hey now. Hey now. Hey now. Hey now. A lot of girls now get no loving tonight. Oh, a lot of man now get no loving tonight, yeah. But do remember, if
get na. You know feel up your rough rider. Because it's a take over. Alright, let me tell them. I want to choke off a Jacqueline, but me have to drop from a whoa! Yeah! So I say protect yourself. Listen, me, I'm not going for the alone and kill people. Me don't hear them talk about AIDS again. Me don't hear them talk about gonorrhea. Wait, listen me. Prevention better than cure. Me want them more and more. Prevention better than cure, Alright, prevention better than cure. So me want them more and more. Prevention better than prevention better than. Mama boss here, mama tell them. Me want to juke off a Jacqueline, so me have to draw from a rubber. We make you die like flowers, die out like. Yeah, me want to juke off a Jacqueline, but me have to. So it's nice for the hate sing. We make you die like. Who do want to sing it with me? When we stop and we go check in our crystal, we get to realize and no man and no. I know pretty girl, we not trust them at all. Hey, you find all a young girl and show she. You think say she not give you bun with ball. You're frightened for your rasta near alcohol. Hey, when she a Peter Mark and she there with Saul. All of a married man over Whitehall. When you're in love, make sure you no fall. Remember, me want to choke off a Jacqueline. Me have to draw from my robbers for my robbers. So it's nice for the youth thing. We make you die like. Remember, I love you. Manners and respect. More love. Happy 2022. Run me, I got you. Go where I got you. Go where I got you, daddy. Frisco Kid.
One more time for Frisco Kid, massive. What a youth heart, man. Like 1,000 fireside. I want to juke off a Jacqueline. But him have a draw for him robbers. My goodness. Frisco, that's a good one in here. For all the gentlemen them out there tonight. So. Massive, you enjoying yourself? Yes, again, I want to say thanks for this opportunity to come and perform for you tonight, courtesy of the Minister of Culture. We thank you very, very much. We love you, Sister Babsy. You know that. So all night we're there and we do some tune, but we're not paying no respect to the ladies yet. And we see a lot of ladies out here in the crowd. Sisters, can I hear you? Okay. Brothers, can I hear you? Like, yo, yo! Sound all right-ish. Brothers, one more time. Can I hear a big yo, yo, yo? Sound better. Sisters, can I get a scream? It all over by the shout. Virgin, nobody asking nothing more. I the woman them time, you understand? So I gotta tell the time to do a couple songs for the sisters tonight, and Virgin just bear with me till we go back into the ragamuffin thing, right? So here we go. Sitting by the open fireplace in my favorite dungaree, playing a few bars of a melody, and it sounded sweet to me. I thought I'd get up and take a look around, but my feet got in the way. Oh Lord, stumbled to the floor, she was right at the door. I could see her face, but how could it be? The sister ran away from me, yeah. My best friend's gone, oh Lord, I'm so all alone. I really miss you, Randy. I'm so all alone. When are you coming back home? Oh, sister, I really miss you, Randy. Missing you every day. Are you coming home to stay? 'Cause I love you, sisters, This one was dedicated to you. Thank you very much. We love you.
I got my appreciation. I would say it came from listening to people like the Clarendonians, Derek Morgan, Prince Buster, Delroy Wilson, Eb Tones, Bob Andy, all those great artists from earlier. Because I genuinely loved music, and we had a piano at my school, my alma mater, Hayes Primary School. And Ernest Wilson used to attend that school because we both are from Clarendon, hence the name of the group Clarendonians. And so Ernest used to play the piano every Thursday. I used to chime in and, you know, we sing and play around, and people started to say, well, Mr. Tiny son can sing. And that's when I made up that little song called Roll Dumpling Roll. If you want to know dumpling sweet, dip it into coconut oil. And it became a big hit in my community. So all of the big people used to check me and say, Tiny boy, sing the dumpling song, I'm going to bust a tune, I'm going to get 2 pence or 3 pence or quatty, whatever it was. And that was a big thing for me. Little did I know that eventually I would come to Kingston and would end up at Studio One, which is the equivalent to Motown Records in the USA, and that I would have had a career that would last until, we're what, 2022 now? 1963, 2022. I think that's a great job.
Na 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 na, boy. Last night their eyes were telling me what words could never say. You needed room to breathe, you needed time to get away. It's a way for young heart, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I would never hold you against you. Can I hear everybody? And so I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you. I know you'll come through. I hope you find that the things you need are the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you, you know I'll wait. Today I woke up wondering, was I right or was I wrong? Did I really mean to let you go? Did I need to act so strong? It's a way for fools to agree to set you free. All I know, if our love is real, then you'll come back to me. So I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to now. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you'll come through, yeah. Hope you find that the things you need are the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you. When I look out the window, when I see a stranger go walking by, I always imagine that it will be you next time. Oh well, you know I'll wait. I'll wait for you, lady. It's a way for young heart, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I would never hold you against your will. You know I'll wait for you, lady. You know I'll wait. You know I'll wait for you, sister. So I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to now. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you'll come through. I hope you find that the things you need are the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you, you know. I'll wait for you, lady. Oh, well, I'll wait for you, lady. Thank you very much. Freddie loves you. We love you. We love you. Thank you. Oh my love. Oh well. Wanna thank you very much for coming out. We love you, massive. Oh well. I don't mind when you say that you going away. Just don't wanna be lonely. Oh well now. I don't care if we share only moments a day. Just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depending on to give a love I can't give when you're gone. When you're gone, just don't wanna be lonely. Oh Lord now, I don't mind when the time sets the sun to the moon. Yeah. Let the stairs find you there at the end of the room. Yeah. Your time I say, I'd rather be loved, needed, depended on to give a love I can't give when you're gone. When you're gone, just don't wanna be lonely. I wanna thank y'all very much for coming out, Master. We love you. Thank you very much. Minister of Culture. Love you, thank you. Just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed. When you're gone, when you're gone, just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depended on to give a love I can't give when you're gone, yeah. When you're gone, just don't wanna be lonely, and I don't wanna be lonely. Thank you, we love you, God bless you. Wait, say one more? Oh, that sounds like two more, so. So many people wanna see me. Stop loving you. Tell them they can. So many people wanna see Freddie. Stop loving you. No, I can't stop loving you. I wouldn't be so ungrateful to you. You've done so many things for me, even made me strong when I was weak. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Tell them they can't. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Oh well, but you're my love, you're my life, you're my sister tonight. Yeah, now. Say you're my love, you're my life, you're my sister tonight and forever. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Fading man down. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Oh well, so many people wanna see me stop loving you. Nobody sit down. No. Nobody sit down and now go work. You see, if you have on something with him, white name Soleto, the IEL something. If you have it on, take it off. Because that time you dance time, you understand? Dance time. We want to say all of the man them, all of the woman them. Straight up dance time. This carry-go bring come, my dear. It bring misery. This carry-go bring come, my dear. It bring misery. You're going from home to home, making disturbances. We need no light to see. You're making disturbances. It's better to seek a home in Mount Zion High instead of keeping oppression upon an innocent man. For time will tell on you, you old Jezebel. How long shall the wicked reign over my people? It's got time. Come on, everybody. It's got time. Wicked up, wicked, 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 wicked up, wicked. Wait the town and tell the people. Bobby the musical disc coming your way. If I had the wings of a dove, if I had the wings of a dove, I would fly, fly away, fly away and be. If I had the wings of a dove, if I had the wings of a dove, I would fly, fly away. Fly away now. If I have no wings, since I have no wings, since I have no wings, I'm gonna sing, sing, sing. Since I have no wings, since I have no wings, since I have no wings, I'm gonna sing, sing, sing. If I have the wings of a dove, if I have the wings of a dove, I would fly, fly away, fly away and be. Then I would fly, fly away now. Then I would fly, fly away now. Oh Lord now, oh Lord now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
advice to the younger artists and DJs coming up would be to pay attention to the industry you're in. Unfortunately, music doesn't require you to be excellent anymore because of social media and the different platforms that are there. And nothing is wrong with that too. If you're able to get through by whatever means, just be your best. Be your best self. Create the best music you can think of creating. Because at the end of the day, you have to look at yourself and your career and ask yourself the true question, have I done well? And you want that answer to be yes. The music has grown tremendously over the years. We've had setbacks and we've had great times. People like Shaggy Sean Paul, those are trailblazers. And of course, Bob Marley was being #1 forever and ever. And we keep doing what we're doing. So we're thankful for where the music is at today. Personally, if you ask me, I'd say we could be a little ahead. But I'm comfortable with where we are. And we just hope that the younger generation will get the knack of it and continue to keep this thing burning.
Yes. When I'm a long-time friend, couldn't find the entrance to the place. Take her the whole night. But she finally come through. And guess what? Session I'll leave till she graces the stage. So watch her. You see, without further ado, let me introduce my sister, my bona fide sister, to close out the Freddie McGregor experience. Me I talk about Sister Marcia Griffiths. You know that, right? You know that, right? Oh my gosh. Oh yes now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Sister Marcia, welcome to the stage. Welcome to the stage. Welcome to the Freddie stage.
Freddie don't make a dress for the stage.
She dress every day.
No.
Every day. Nobody can dress like Sister Marcia.
There's nowhere in the world that I would rather be than with you, my love.
And there's nowhere in this world that I would rather be than beside Sister Marcia, my love. For united we stand, divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we'll be together, together, you and I. Oh Lord, one more time. For united we stand, divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we'll be together, together, you and I.
Love you, Freddie.
One more song from Sister Marcia, done? You must say mad. One more song, Sister Marcia, do. I pray of thee. Shall I do it? Shall I do it?
No. Is who that?
A fire, fire, fire burning now. Oh Lord, well.
I was thrown into myself, observing all these times.
Pull up! Pull up! Run it! Run it! Sister Marcia!
I was thrown into myself, observing all these times. From every angle I could see, my people, you're meeting hell. The brothers have turned to crime, so they die from time to time. We'd like to ask you leaders, what have you got in mind?
I see the fire spreading, it's getting
on your door, then you will be safe for sure. But if you are in pretense, you're on the wrong side of the fence. Fire burning, fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. Fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning.
Whoa, a sister Marcia in the house that a murderer. A Freddie in the house that a murderer. And when we touch this, I see mash up tonight. Sister Babs, you're feeling irate. A fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. A fire burning, 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 feel the fire burning. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. We love you. God bless you. One more time for Sister Marcia and all the crew. Enough love. Thank you, myself. God bless you. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you again. Enough love.